Now, year 2016 is year of fire monkey. How would such a year affect the monkey people? Here would be the data that I'm going to share with everyone. Now, a lot of people thought when you're a monkey into monkey year, it means negativity because it's a conflict. Indeed, in a certain way, it's a conflict. So monkey people should not gamble or speculate. Okay, but regular income is okay. As a matter of fact, the monkey people in this year have a very dominant learning sign and promotion sign. So if you are still studying, you should have very good results. If you work in a corporation, you have very good chance to get promoted. People relations in general are good, but not favorable to get married if you're still single. So that's what happened to the monkey. Health-wise, in general, just take it easy, don't be too vigorous, then you can stay healthy for this year. 这个2016就是这个活猴子年，那生猴子年的朋友，这个怎么发生什么事了？今年，那猴年对猴年就是一个叫坐太岁，坐太岁来讲呢，就要多注意休息，多注意运动。也不能赌博投机，但增财就没事，增财还是蛮不错的。还有那个属猴子的朋友啊，今年那个文昌星跟那个权力的星也不错，所以要是念书的猴子朋友，今年成绩不错；要是打工的猴子朋友啊，今年有晋升的机会非常之高的，恭喜。Now the rooster people.Now, make sure we call them roosters and not the chicken. Otherwise, they'll be offended. Okay, the chicken people has a very dominant romance sign for this year. Probably the most romantic sign of all 12 signs. So if you're born in that year, your people relations obviously would be very good. And if you are in a business dealing with people like PR and social events, show business, and you're a rooster person, congratulations. 那属鸡的朋友来讲呢，今年这12生肖里头是桃花最旺盛的一个生肖，就是人际关系非常好。要是还没有结婚的鸡朋友，今年可以结婚。要是你的工作是公关的工作就是人际关系的工作，做明星做歌星，你今年呢应该是非常畅旺。就要恭喜就属鸡的朋友了。